In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an email with your domain name using Google Workspace. This is an essential setup for businesses offering professional communication tools and enhancing your brand credibility. Let's dive in and get your custom email set up in a few simple steps. First, head over to the Google Workspace homepage. Google Workspace provides a suite of tools for professional use, combining Gmail, Drive, Docs, and more under a single roof, making it perfect for businesses. Once you're there, locate and click on the admin console. This is your command center for managing users, settings, and much more. Everything you need to oversee your domain's email services efficiently. Next, you'll need to log in using your business email credentials. It's crucial to use credentials that have admin rights, otherwise some tasks may not be available to you. After you've successfully logged in, head to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Google Apps menu. This menu provides access to all Google apps associated with your domain. From there, you'll see an icon labeled Admin. Click on it to enter a new phase of setup, your mission control for Google Workspace. Navigating through the admin interface, you'll want to head straight to the directory. This is where all user management occurs, allowing you to organize and coordinate effectively. Moving along, click on Groups. Within a business setup, groups are valuable for managing email lists or project teams. You'll see an option to create group. Click on this to add a new group to your directory. Here, you're establishing a group email address that members in your organization can utilize for cohesive communication. Now fill in the necessary details to create your group. This includes the group's name, description, and group email, which should align with your business needs. Once you've filled everything out appropriately, proceed by clicking Next. Review your settings to ensure everything is in order, and finally, click on Create Group to establish your new email group. To allow collaboration, you will want to add members to your group. Start by clicking Add Members To, followed by the specific group you've just created. A window will pop up asking you to type in the emails you wish to add. You're aiming to list the emails of those within your organization who need access to this group address. Once the list of potential members appears, select the profiles you want. Finally, click on ADD to Group. This confirms your selections and sets them up within this email group. To wrap things up, don't forget to click Save to ensure all your settings are secured and applied. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an email with your domain name through Google Workspace, ready to enhance your business communications. Tune into more of our videos for additional guides and tips to keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching.